Proposed changes to a law that safeguards religious harmony will be introduced in Parliament on Monday. The Maintenance of Religious Harmony Amendment Bill is one of two bills that will be read for the first time, together with the Income Tax Amendment Bill. 7 bills are also tabled for a second reading, including the Care Shield Life and Long-Term Care Bill, as well as the Work Injury Compensation Bill. More than 70 questions have been submitted on issues ranging from employment for people with disabilities to dengue and a midges outbreak at Pandan Reservoir. MPs have asked about the rising number of dengue cases in Singapore and efforts to contain the situation. NEA says so far more than 10,000 dengue cases have been reported this year.